Welcome, Delacoos, and this is Houston Delacoos, and today we're going to show you how to brush our pony. You want to brush him all over and make sure he has no dirt on him. Now we're going to turn him around and show you the other side. And brush this side just the same. Brush it until it has no dirt on it. Oh, make sure you check your pony's feet for rocks.
That's a good idea, Quentin.
When we go trail ride today, we're going to check our pony's feet for rocks.
No rocks in this one. No one in this one. None in this one. And none in this one. He's all good.
Good. And that's how you brush a pony.
Bye.